Hey everyone, this is Harold from Living in the Hill Country. The weekend is upon us. Looks like there might be rain in the forecast. Have this landscaping project we've been working on. Went out and got the mulch yesterday, so now we just need to get it unloaded. So let's get this project going. Okay, now all the mulch is unloaded. Got that set in place, ready to be used. Now we need to go to the lumber yard here in town, pick up what we need to complete the rest of the job so we can get this done today or this weekend at least before the rain sets in. So let's go. So I loaded up 4 bags of sand, 10 bags of mortar. Hopefully that'll be enough, but we'll find out. So I talked to the guy at the hardware store. He said the best way to do this would be to level the ground down where you're going to put the bricks at. Just put your weed barrier down. Put about a 1-inch layer of sand in the area you're going to put the bricks. The first layer of bricks can just pretty much set on top of the sand, and then of course mortar them together end to end, and then mortar to the second layer on top of that, and then to finish the top, he said basically just mortar the top of the bricks where the holes are, mortar the top of it, smooth it all out. He says after it dries a little bit, then you're going to want to kind of sand it down to get the rough edges off, and then power wash it after it's dry, and then do the painting, and you should be good to go after that. So that's what we're going to do. That's what our plan is. So I'll show you some of it. I won't video the whole thing because I know that this will be a very lengthy video, but I'll at least show you the basics of how I'm going to do this, show you each step as I do, and then show you my progress throughout the whole project. So you got a kind of an idea of what I'm going to be doing here. So I don't need to film the whole thing. So what I'll do is I'm going to go ahead and continue this one, get it finished, and then I'll show you what I got going on. I will give you updates as I go, show you where I'm at, but I'm just going to turn the video off now and then just get to work. So thanks for watching so far. Okay, let me kind of show you where we are. I did finish the front section to the left of the front door. It, of course, has to dry, and I need to wire brush it down to get the rough edges off the brick and from the mortar, and then power wash it and paint it. And then, of course, put in the red mulch. But if you look, basically you just put a mortar cap, I guess you could call it, on the top there and just kind of rough smooth it out to kind of give it the, I don't know, textured look to the top. It took filling up the holes of the bricks, of course, and then smoothing it out. But it looks pretty good. Of course, that lip of weed cloth will be trimmed off after I paint. I'll leave it on there and use it as a border to help overspray on painting. I'll show you how I do that, but that's how it's all going to look. Showed you that section right there, and this is how far we got on the second part, just down to the corner. But looking pretty good so far, and we'll get it done in the next day or so. Well, thanks for watching. That was day 2 on this project. Looks like it might take another 2 days or so to get this done, but that's okay. Anyway, thank you for watching. If you like this channel, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, leave some comments below. And as always, God bless you and have a wonderful day.